Hi, welcome to Code.io. In this episode of Hacker Rank Problem Solving, we'll be solving a question called Mars Exploration. So it's a pretty simple question. I'll first tell you what the question is and we'll then try to solve the question. Okay, so in the question, we are given a scenario where a Mars rover crashes on the surface of Mars and it is sending a sequence of strings to Earth. Okay, so the string received should be SOS. We are given that, but unfortunately the string is being corrupted by cosmic radiation, it seems. Okay, fine. So the characters in these strings are getting distorted or getting reoriented, like the values are not actually SOS and it is changing to some other value. Okay, so that is the problem here. So you'll have to find the number of characters that are being changed. Okay, so it should actually be SOS or SOS for the length of the string, but the string that we receive is actually not. So we'll have to find the number of characters that have been affected by this particular radiation. Okay, this is the question. So I have a couple of ways to attend this question. So let me tell you both of them and we'll solve one of them. Okay, so the first approach is that you are given the length string, right? So you'll have to find the length of the string and divide it by 3. Why by 3? Because SOS is of length 3. Okay, so we are going to divide it by 3. That will give the number of SOS that will be in the original string, right? Let us say if the size of the string is 6, when you divide it by 3, you will get 2, right? So it should have 2 SOS. So you can create a new string that has 2 SOS. So SOS will be the new string. So what you can do is you can compare this newly generated string with the string that you received as input and see the number of characters that mismatch. You can count them and you can just print them. This is one solution that you can do for this question. The other one is that traveling through this string, you are going to traverse this string 3 characters at a time. So you are going to split this string into segments of 3 characters and you are going to travel 3 characters at a time and you are going to see if those 3 characters are exactly S, O and S. If not, you'll have to count or increment the value of count the number of characters that mismatch. Okay, this is the second logic. Both are applicable, both can be used, and in this particular video we'll be using the second one because the first one is quite simple, anyone can do it, and the second one I have a slight doubt that you might not understand. So I'll implement the second one. You can also implement the first one, and if you did implement the first one, please let your code be visible to us in the comment section so we can see the code. Okay, so now we'll implement this question. Now first let me get this input string. So before that, I'm just going to create an instance for scanner. System.in. Okay, so the input is a string, right? So string S is equal to scanner.next. Okay, so now we have got the input. Now as I already tell, we are going to traverse through the string, but we are going to traverse it 3 characters at a time. So we are going to traverse this strings in segments. Okay, so for that we are like, it is just a similar for loop for int I equals 0, I less than s dot length, strings length. The for loop should go up until the last character of the string, right? So s dot length is the boundary character, and the increment value, instead of I plus plus, we are going to use I equals I plus 3. Okay, so let me just explain this statement. We are using I equals I plus 3 because we are skipping we are traversing the string 3 characters at a time, right? We are splitting it into segments and we are traversing 3 characters at a time. So the first segment has SOS and that is the first segment. So when we try to move to the next segment, the index should be shifted from I to I plus 3, right? Okay, because we have processed all 3 characters in the first segment. So you'll just have to move to the next segment. That is why we are using I equals I plus 3. Hope you understood that. Now inside this, you are just going to check if the segment is actually a valid segment. So what exactly is that? The first character should be S, the second character should be O, and the third character should also be S. So we are just going to check that. So if S dot char at I not equals S, then I'm just going to increment the value of count. Okay, so what have I done here? I've checked the, for every segment, I is the first character, right? I plus 1 is the second character, I plus 2 is the third character. So I'm just checking if the character at I is S. If it is not a problem. If it is not, we are going to increment the value of count because it is mismatched. Okay, so similarly, I can just copy this. Similarly, you are going to do for the second character and also for the third character. So instead of I am just going to give I plus 1 and I plus 2, and the string or the characters in the subsequence will be S, O and S. So I just change it to S, O and S. And since I haven't declared count yet, I am just going to declare count and initialize it to 0. Okay, so now I think this is done. So what we have done is we are going to traverse this string characters segment by segment, and each segment has 3 characters. So with the jump that we are going to use is I plus 3. Okay, so now in each segment you are checking the first character if it is an S, the second character is a O, the third character is another S. So if that is the case, it's fine. If it is not, if any of these character is not what we want, you are just going to increment the value of count, and at the end you are just going to print the value of count, system.out.println count, and that is it. Now I'm just going to copy this and run it in HackerRank. Now this is going to be in Java, and paste, run code. So the sample test case has been passed, and now I'm going to submit it, and all test cases have been passed. So I hope you understood this logic. You can also use the other logic that I told, right? Finding the length of the string, dividing it by 3, and creating a SOS string that has that many number of SOS, and just going to compare the input string and the string that you generated and see the number of mismatching characters. That is also another way that you can solve this problem in. So hope you did understood this question. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And the try it out section of this video, here we have a question for the try it out, and the question is STS STT. Now what will be the output that we'll receive if we pass this string to this question or this function that we have created? So let us know your answers in the comments, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you have further questions, please put them in the comments as well. If you like the video, please like the video. For more videos like this, consider subscribing to Code.io. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.